Hi, first graders and family. I have realized that there are some extra steps you need to do on your Go Math assignments to make sure that they get turned in so that I can see that your student has completed them. So I'm going to walk through those steps so that you can see how to do it so that I receive a score on my end. So first thing you're going to want to do is pick your day, scroll down to math, and then go to this K6 Think Central link. Once you click on that, it brings up this screen right here. You'll want to log in with your Students 9 number for the username and the password. Once you are logged in, you will see this screen right here. You'll want to click on the Things to Do page. Once you click on Things to Do, it will bring up a list of things that are required. So I'm going to look at this lesson 10.4 right here, which is one that we have done in the past. So once you get to this screen, click on the blue link, and then it will bring up the lesson. Okay, once you get to the lesson, you'll want to hit start, and then you'll work through the lesson, listen to what the bird says. This is the stuff that actually instructs your students, so this is a really important part. This is the teaching. Then you'll continue going. Again, this is listening to the instructor. This is a model of how to do it. And then it says elaborate. On the elaborate screen, it says personal math trainer. Now, I thought you just continued to click the arrow, but you actually need to click on the whistle. Once you click on the whistle, it will bring up assignments. Now, I have already gone through and completed this assignment, so it says you have already completed this activity. Choose a new one. That is a good way to check to make sure that you've already done it. So then I click on the arrow, and then it says evaluate, which is another personal math trainer. Once again, you'll want to hit the whistle, and then it will bring up the assignments. So then you read the question, and it can read all the questions to the children, and then they'll want to select. They can check their answer by hitting check answer. Once you have completed all, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 for this assignment. Once you have completed all of the items on top, then you need to hit the turn it in button. If you do not hit the turn it in button, it says that it is incomplete on my side. So make sure that you hit the turn it in button. And then it brings you back to the screen, and if you click on it again, it says that you've already completed this assignment, so it won't let you do it twice. Then click on the arrow again, and it will bring you to this last page that says, good job, you finished. Then you can hit exit, and then you can log out. So that is how you use Go Math. Please let me know if you have any questions, and sorry that I did not get that information to you sooner. Bye.